Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the little bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you're back. So if you want to see how I got to this right here, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey,
Hey guys, today review is gonna be on this unit right here, and it's the Outre melted hairline in the style Zandra, and I got it in the color DRFF Cajun Spice. And on the back it shows you all the nice colors that comes with it. Ooh, look at that ginger mahogany. Ooh. So this one is part of the Outre melted hairline. Ooh, and it comes with a deluxe wild space lace part, which is nice. It comes with two by 5, and this is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it's HD transparent. And look at her, she is slaying. Ooh, and I got this from Elevate Style for $37. If you get in the natural colors, it'll be $35. And this is what she looks like. Look at that color. Oh, now looking at the color, it doesn't go with my eyeshadow, but you know what? It's okay, we're gonna go with it. But anyways, for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it also comes with this little band, elastic band, which is nice. And look at the parting space. Ooh, which is good. You get a little bit, you can part it a little bit, you know, however you want. But yeah, I'm gonna put her on. So this is what Zandra looks like. She is very ear to ear. Like with this, I feel like I'll have to like glue her down, but she's like giving the frontal kind of effect. So far, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna style her and I will be back.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life? Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No.
So this is what Zandra looks like after I have styled her. You know, the parting space is nice. I love how it, like, the part is giving, like it says, giving that frontal effect, which is nice. You know, I try to blend it down as well as possible. The texture is she's silky, and I love the color blend. And if you don't want to melt this down, you don't have to. Like, I want to put a little bit of glue right in the front just so it can lay down, and that's about it. But personally, this style is not, it's not mine. I don't like it. I don't like the style. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I'm feeling the color. The color is bomb. And yeah, I'm gonna have to blame the hubby for this one, because he made me get this one, because I asked him, I was like, between this and this, which one should I get? He was like, this one, it'll look good on you. Yeah, hon, I don't like it. I don't know, maybe I'm over, I don't know. I don't know. She's not. It looks nice on the stock card. It looks really nice on the stock card. Like, she is rocking it. Like, it comes with baby hair. You don't have to use the baby hair. I did not use the baby hair, and I think it looks just fine. So it's definitely the asymmetrical bob and stuff. I don't know. She is not my cup of tea. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like.
From me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms.
But yeah, so what do you guys think? Do you like Zandra? Does she look good on me? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Love Your Crownz. Bye.
It's a bad man.